Take off the foo-foo. Take off the cloud chase. Take off the Wi-Fi. Take off the money phone. Take off the car loan. Take off the flex and the white loss. Take off the weird ass jewelry. I'ma take 3 steps, then I'm taking off top 5.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we are working with WESTKISS hair. Isn't this box the cutest freaking thing y'all ever seen? Like, it is so cute. We got some goodies in the boxes as usual. I love these HD wig caps, so definitely check them out. And we love a bag to put our wigs in. We gotta store them. So the wig we're working with today is an 18-inch curly wig. All the detail and everything will be in the description box down below. I just decided to give y'all a run through of the hair. I got a little bit of shedding, not too much. Like for curly hair, all curly hair shed. I don't care what nobody says. But this, top tier. There was a comb on the back. I've never seen this type of comb at the end of like the closure part. So that was interesting to me, but really nice, plucked, bleached, pre-cut, everything. We love that. This is a pop on your head and go type of wig. We are starting off not doing a ball cap method today. I'm just starting off with a regular wig cap. And this wig cap was modding me in this install, y'all. But anyway, let's get started with the install. Clean canvas, y'all, with my alcohol. So I can make sure that, you know, my wig and glue, my glue and everything attaches right. So this is what the hair looks like after I washed it. I am going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in number 15. I'm using the darkest shade just to tint my cap a little bit in the middle part. I knew I was doing the middle part, so I was just focused pretty much on that area. And I did put some on the wig. I just didn't show it on camera, but I did put some. Even though the wig came pre-bleached, I still, you know, matched it up to my skin color a little bit. Y'all, look at the wig. Other than the curls could be defined a little better, like I can just literally leave out the house. Like, it was so easy, and we're only 2 minutes into the video. But I decided to switch it up and do a little different thing. I'm just trying to part it to see kind of what or how I want to style the wig, because I haven't decided. I was just like, it's pre-plucked and everything, so I'll probably just pop it on my head and define the curls a little bit. So this is me just like playing around with it. I couldn't find my wax stick, so I'm just using my hot comb to like press it down a little bit. It is curly here, so of course I personally don't like when the top is like flat and then the rest of the hair is curly, but I did want it to like lay it down a little bit more. So the glue that I'm using is my regular Ghost Bond glue. Been using this. I haven't tried anything else. Yeah, I haven't tried anything else. It works for me. I think I did 2 layers here, and I just applied it evenly across. It was a 7x5 closure wig, so it didn't go from ear to ear. So it would just stopped at like the temple parts of my face. So that's why I just put the glue right there. And I'm trying to line this wig up. I did select the large cap, y'all, but I think I need a medium. My head is big, and I kind of like said, oh yeah, I need a large cap, but it was too big in my opinion. I could have tightened it a little bit on the back, but I didn't. So with that, I have to like be careful with my placement and everything, so my hairline doesn't like, what's the word I'm looking for? Cradle up? I don't know what's the American version of that, but yeah. I think I tied it down for maybe 10 minutes. I just always like comb. For some reason, the hair always gets stuck somewhere up in there. So I just use my comb to like part it out. And I decided that I wanted to glue it down just because I wanted to wear this wig for the entire work week. I ended up wearing it for 2 weeks, y'all. Like, don't play with it. So I'm glad that I decided to like glue it down, but obviously it can be glueless. And I decided to put some baby hairs in there as well. Every opportunity that I get to practice my baby hair, I'm going to do that. Looking back at this, I wish I had thinned them out a little bit, but you know, it's whatever. So back to defining this part, I was trying to go for like a widow's peak type look without plucking or pulling the hair out. Just because whenever I do it as a first install, I don't like to pull the hair out, because then if I keep wearing the wig, like I really love this wig, so I'm keeping this one. Over time, the wig naturally loses hair, so I decided not to pluck anything out because this is a long-term one and I really like it. Y'all, look at me struggling to take this from around my neck. I don't know about you, but when it gets to like tying the band, in the back, it's just so hard for me. So I tie it around my neck and then I just pull it up. But yes, this is me just laying my edges, or, you know, this is me laying my edges the best way that I can. All right, so this is literally the star part of the video. I decided to brush the curls out. Look how full this is. I was even thinking to blow dry it and then put some nice wand curls in there. Oh, that would be so cute. Maybe when I reinstall this wig, I'll try that style. But I decided to comb the hair out and then just wet it and then cut some layers in there. This is my first time layering a curly wig. And why haven't I been doing this, y'all? This ate down. I think this is what made the look like so nice. It's because it's more realistic. Our hair grows, different parts of our hair have different lengths. So by cutting layers and putting it to my face worked so well for me. So that's what I'm kind of doing. I'm doing one side, filling it out, leaning my head to see where it's going to fall. And obviously when it dries, it's going to shrink up a little bit more. So I didn't want to cut it too short. And I'm just matching the other side, you know, best as possible. All right, then I'm going to take some mousse. The mousse helps to define the curls and just have them like hold in place. Now, this is how you get the realistic curls. I wrap them around my finger, just like molding them. And then I just pull it in a spiral downwards and keep them locked. And then boom, voila, look at that. So cute, right? And I'm going to keep doing it. I did it just like on the top part of my hair. And I did it randomly. So I didn't really have a plan. I was just like, curl this way and then I'll curl the other way and then I'll do it. And then I love how it came out, y'all. So that's kind of what I did. And I didn't separate them until my hair was dried with some oil on my fingers. So cute. All right, let's define this part. Now, this wig cap that I used played my life, y'all. Look how far back it is. It kept slipping. I was just like, it's whatever. So I decided to use some concealer, that same Ruby Kisses concealer, in the lighter shade this time to just like blend that in. And then I cleaned it up a little bit with my mascara. I love this wand. It's just the small one. Y'all, I had this mascara forever. But yeah, this is the finished product of the hair. It's not fully dried. At the time of this was probably like 80% dried. After it dried, y'all, this looked 8. Like, I went to school, I went to work with it. Everybody, I got so much compliment on this unit. Like, so freaking cute. So cute. I wish I had came back on camera once it was 100% dry to just show you how realistic this was. Like, literally everybody thought this was my hair. And I ain't correct them. I was just like, oh, thank you. Curly hair, yes ma'am. I've been on my straight hair tip lately, but we're back. Because this curly wig ain't. Like, I love it. And usually when I'm doing curly, I usually go long curly. But this is just perfect. I just love how defined the curls look. Definitely check out the technique of defining your curls. I think it just looks so juicy. The curls look much better than how they came. So you can be flexible with your wig to like define the curls and make it look a little bit more realistic. Like, this looks like more realistic than the curl pattern that the hair came with. But let me know what y'all think down below in the description box. All the detail, again, will be in the description box down below. Once again, thank you WESTKISS Hair for sponsoring today's video. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.